Let's study about two special triangles, equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? If all the sides of a triangle are equal, it is called an equilateral triangle. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, then it will be equilateral triangle. Let ABC be an equilateral triangle with sides AB, BC and AC. AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. Next, the angle opposite to the side AC is angle B. And the angle opposite to the side AB, opposite angle is C. And the angle opposite to the side BC, angle A, will be equal. That is, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. So, what will be the measure of these angles? We know that total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, each angle will be 60 degree. That is, this is an equilateral triangle which have three equal sides and three equal measure of angles. And the next one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle which have two sides equal. If the two sides of a triangle are equal, it is called a isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. And the angle opposite to side AB, that is angle C. Also the angle opposite to the side C, that is angle B, will be equal. So in an isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal and two opposite angles. The angles opposite to the two equal sides will be equal. We can do some problems. What will be the measure of angle X? We know that this is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Therefore, the angle opposite to the two equal sides will be equal. Therefore, X equal to 50 degree. If this angle is 120 degree, what is the measure of angle A? We know that angle ACD is an exterior angle. Also, these two angles are linear pair. So, if here 120 degree, this will be 60 degree. This will be 60 degree. Now, we know that the angle opposite to this side, that is angle A, and the angle opposite to this side, angle C, will be equal. So, angle 60 will be equal to these two sides. Therefore, the angle of A is equal to, measure of angle A is equal to 60 degree. Next, we are going to study the condition of three sides of a triangle forming a triangle. That is, sum of the two sides of a triangle will be greater than the third side. Sum of the two sides of a triangle will be greater than the third side. We can do one problem. Is it possible to make a triangle of sides 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So first we have to take the first two numbers. So 6 plus 7, that's equal to 13 and it is greater than the third side. Now we can take the next two numbers 7 and 8. 7 plus 8, that's equal to 15 and that is greater than 6. And the next one 6 and 8 we can add. 6 plus 8 which is equal to 14, that also greater than 7. Therefore we understood that the condition, that is sum of the length of the two sides of triangle is greater than the third side. Therefore, we can make a triangle using these sides. It is possible to draw a triangle using these sides. Another problem, is it possible to make a triangle using these sides? So first we are adding the first two numbers, 2 plus 3, that's equal to 5. And it is not greater than 5. Therefore, using these numbers, we can't draw a triangle.